That's a very long story, I don't know. But I can say that I had the opportunity to have exposure in my life of ups and downs of various different business, going through the different cycles, business cycles. If I go back in my olden days, yes, I feel that I don't think any MBAs or any business person gets this kind of exposure like what all I have got, and I got the practical exposure. NHB fighting with Greenlace, State Bank fighting with Greenlace and NHB. I am saying, Baba, you are fighting for me. I am here. I am prepared to come forward. You just work out, just spare your person and let's it to pass on that poison to my. Already we are having one I won't say that they have got scot-free, but I will say this way that I am being penalized more than what I should. It took me quite some time to get back to normal because in this 111 days it happened so many times. Every time when I was going to the court, I was just under impression that maybe आज छूट जाऊँगा या अगले तारीख को छूट जाऊँगा, and it was even Justice Variava once mentioned it was 30th June. पर हर वक्त यही आता गया, पता नहीं कहाँ से क्या हो रहा है, something coming up again. And at one point of time, there were 2 or 3 agencies waiting to pounce on me as if I was something, a commodity, very scarce commodity. So that made me lately to feel that as if I am going to take quite a long time before coming out. And the day when I heard his verdict, Justice Dudat verdict, I was not ready to believe it. I asked my lawyer, "Are you sure? Is there anybody waiting or anything else is hanging?" Because again, after his verdict, it took one day for Vaikala jail to release me. They were also not sure what to do. They were so much habitual of me, they was not wanting to allow me. Only one my request is, I don't want bouquets. Don't give me brick pens. It's too much of a swing from top to the bottom, again bringing it back, and I won't say that I am hero. Let me be what I am, and I am proud of what I am. That's all. I just don't feel only. I have tried to let them answer that. I will put it this way, that media has been reacting extremes all the time, and virtually I can say that nobody has understood exactly what all has happened, and everybody has tried to explain the situation in their own fashion, and so much has come that if I read all the news, then I also will get confused at what exactly has happened. So I don't know what happens to the common man who has just been fed with so many information and so many misinformations. I think today I am not in a position to talk this, as the matter is sub judice, and it will be adding to more of confusion, because now the fact won't remain as fact with the background what all has been created. So better let me reserve my part of the view on that. I had been saying, and I am still very firm about it, that India is a turnaround stock on the global exchange. And it has all the signs. This Asian tiger is coming out of the cage. It's only a matter, I will not suggest for the speculators or short-term trader. I had always been talking about investors, and investors, if you go on, even averaging out on index basis also has made substantial money. Forget about the specialization and specialized approach. And it's not my view only. By the time already now, like Morgan Stanley has already declared that how India is potential. And I, being a creature of this market and what close with so much of a closeness I have been able to see this market, I feel we have one of the greatest potential markets. They have become more sensible. I mean, Harshad Mehta out or in has got nothing to do with stock prices. I mean, you can't overreact. They know that if I am in a position to buy or sell shares, I can do it being behind the bars. And if I am not able to do it outside because I am still right now bound by so many regulations and systems and environment. Frankly speaking, I am really out of touch for last 4.5 months, 5 months. So I don't want to talk anything in particular. I think I don't see any change in the potentials of those shares. It only depends that how things are shaping up now. And especially I will not like to, again, I will re-emphasize that I don't want to talk on short term. Short term market has got into quite a lot of shocks. And let the market get absorbed, let the market get adjusted to the newer situation. But otherwise I see the delay, whatever is taking place on the liberalization or the process is the only delay for the stock market too. You can't get that 5 stocks out of me so easily. You have to pay the price for it. Stock itself. I won't say I had picked up any confrontation as such. I was trying to just give out the facts because nobody has been able to bring out except at 2-3 places some journalists have brought it out. And it becomes, again, if I am made to state the fact, I have to give the fact what all is the fact in the market. And if I can help, as I have always been saying that I am wanting to help the investigating agencies to unearth the truth. And that is going to exonerate me from the charges which has been levied. And this is one of the basic facts. So that's what I am doing it. Especially my experience at CBI was very tough because in the history of CBI, and I was thinking if there is any self-employment scheme, I can be a good interrogator myself after undergoing so much of experience.